Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're looking at replacing an exhaust nut. Now we've started it in by hand, and as you can see on the stud right here, we have put two of the nuts and we've locked them together. We've pulled one way coming off, one going on, so that it locks onto the stud so that we can very carefully turn it into the engine. And so stand by while I get a wrench. Okay, now Shop Monkey is holding the shop light for me, and what you do is once you get those nuts in like that, you get them in. Now watch, you can actually see the stud. Okay, so you'll actually be able to see the stud turn partway when I put pressure. That's what we're going to do to work that stud all the way in. And be done. You don't need a stud puller or installer. So that's how you double nut it. To get it all together and get a new stud in, as long as the threads were clean inside the cylinder head. We did check them. If they're bad, they can be cleaned out and you can go oversize, or you can retap and go with another oversize, or put a helicoil in and use a standard size. A lot of options for fixing these. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.